Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will see a concept of probability distribution with the help of a past paper question. It is a part of the syllabus of A-Level Mathematics S1. To view more videos, you can visit my website address and my blog address, which are mentioned here. So let's see the question. So this question is the discrete random variable x has the following probability distribution. You can see this table here, probability distribution. There are two unknown values in this probability values p and q, and the value of mean, which is expectation of x, is given to you. Now, as my purpose is not only to solve the question but also help you to revise the concept at the same time, so that viewing the solution can also help you to revise the whole concept. So in probability distribution, there are only three concepts which we have to remember. Number one is that the sum of the probability is equals to 1, right? We know that. So first equation you will get from here will be sum of this equals to 1. I'll just show it. And second thing is about how to calculate mean of expectation and variance. Mean is given here, and that is what we will need to use. Variance we don't, but we will discuss that also here. So the mean you should know that how do you calculate mean? Mean formula is sigma x. X are what? These variables which are given here. X times their probability, right? And what is that? This thing. So the meaning of this sigma x time probability of x is that you will multiply this variable with the probability plus 0 multiplied by this probability plus 1 multiplied by this probability and so on. So this will give you mean. And then what is variance? So variance is equals to, variance of x is equals to sigma x square times probability of x. Now x square only mean you will square this and then multiply by probability plus square this multiply by this probability plus square this multiply by this probability and so on minus mean square. So this helps you. Mean square mean whatever you have calculated here. So when in the question variance of x is asked, automatically it check the concept of mean also, right? So in this question we will not make use of it, we will only make use of this thing. Okay, so let me just make it clean so that we can use it further. Okay, so now let's start solving this question. So first thing I told you that the sum of the probability should be equals to 1. So first equation I will get here is 0.2 plus 0.1 plus p plus 0.1 plus q equals to 1, because sum of the probability is 1. So let's simplify this. It will become, if you add up these numbers, it will be 0.4 plus p plus q equals to 1. You can keep calculator in your hand to calculate it yourself. Okay, so this is my equation number 1. Because there are two unknowns, so I will definitely get two equations. Now second equation I will get with the help of this hint. Okay, so mean of x equals to 0.7. And mean of x how we will calculate? With the help of this formula which I have, which I have given you here, right? So now I will do minus 2 times 0.2 plus 0 multiplied by this will be 0, so I'm just writing 0 plus 1 multiplied by p is p plus 3 multiplied by 0.1 plus 4q, and what is this equals to? 1.7. So let's simplify this. This will be multiplied, it will be minus 0.4 plus p plus 0.3 plus 4q equals to 1.7. Now let's further simplify it. So let's keep p here and the rest of the thing to the other side, and it will become p is equals to 1.7 plus 0.5, right? I'm taking these numbers to the other side. Minus 0.3 minus 4q, which will become p is equals to, you can keep calculator in your hand if you want, minus 4q. So now I will substitute this value of p in this equation, equation number 1. Simultaneously we are solving it here, right? So it will become what? I'm substituting this value here now in this place. So it will become 1.8 minus 4q plus q equals to 0.6. So this will become minus 3q, and of course 1.8 will go here. I hope it's simple for you. So it will become minus 1.2, which means q is equals to 0.4. Now this value of q you can substitute here or here, wherever you want. So I'm substituting it here, right? So it will become p is equals to 1.8 minus 4 times 0.4, right? So it will become what? 0.2. So this is how you have found the values of p and q. So I hope you understood this topic, and thank you very much for watching the video. And one more thing, by the way, every time in this question, this probability is not given to you. Sometimes only data is given to you, what problem is given to you, and you have to make this table. So to watch that concept, you need to watch my more videos on my blog site address. Thank you very much. Please press like and share to encourage me. Thank you.